Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content, for more reviews like this, and definitely put a like on the video even before watching. That would definitely help the video. Apologies for the strong wind noise. It's a bit windy because we're not too far from the sea. So we're here just giving you an update on this development, the Lofts. I did a video on it a few months ago when it didn't reach this far, so this is an update. It's coming along very nicely. It's almost finished, because as we see, the first tower they started is basically finished, and they're wrapping up on this second tower here. This project was completely sold out even before they started. It's financed by Scotia Bank as well. So a very good location. I think it's very ideal, especially investors who might have bought it for like Airbnb. We have it next door to the stadium, so any event is at the stadium, persons can get to watch, and then they stay next door. We have a very nice view of the mountain as well. Alright, so very nice development here. It will consist of a jogging trail, pool, gym, recreation area. And again, I'll leave the link for the video I did before this one in the description. I'll also put it in the comments as well, so you guys can see how it looked before we reached this far. This grassy area wasn't there. So I guess what they're finishing up now is the landscaping, sewage, plumbing, and this empty lot beside them. They're still doing some work over there. That's usually the additional parking when events are keeping at the stadium. So a Porsche just passed. A lot of Porsches in Jamaica now, courtesy of ATL Automotive. So definitely let me know, guys, what you think about this project, in terms of everything, in terms of the location, design, colors, the timeline. So definitely leave your comment, guys, and definitely share the video as well, so more persons can see. So a military tank just passed. I think that's probably coming from Mountain View, where they're currently having a curfew. So this is the open lot beside the Loft. A lot of person practice for their driver's license right here. I've taught a lot of persons to reverse and park using this spot as well. Alright, so guys, we're approaching the end of this video. Definitely like the video, share as well so more persons can see, and just leave a comment in terms of this location, this development and everything. That will also help the channel to grow as well. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. We have the National Stadium over here. So thanks for watching, and see you on that next video.